I'm sitting here late in a Friday afternoon. It was 6 degrees when I left for work this morning, and I'm thinking, no ice skaters on the ponds. I just remember so vividly memories of Mead Pond and even Mill and skating, and it just isn't happening. And I'm thinking maybe the reason is the amount of road salt that us and other municipalities dump, to make sure our roads are black within an hour and a half of a major snowstorm. But it is an iconic view of New Canaan that I haven't seen all year. And when you think about the opportunities we've had, and I know the joy it brought me and probably others that grew up in New England, to not have that opportunity again, it actually is sad. So I just put it out there. It's not making a comment, but it's been the harshest winter, and some of the most fun of the harshest winters was when I was going skating with my family and my kids and my friends back in high school, and that opportunity seems to be gone from now.